beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Wens Tarot, and this is what is coming next for you. Charms reading. Yes, friends, this is our most requested pick a card reading. So, here it is now with charms. And, friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. So, take whatever resonates, leave the rest behind. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wens Tarot. To buy a personal reading, visit our website www.magicwenstarot.com, friends, and make sure to book your own personal 2021 readings if you have already done so. Fantastic. If you are requesting or buying, if you are requesting or writing to me for buying a reading, just give me some time. I will reply back to you. It takes me a while to get back to you because there are a lot of emails. So yeah, and friends, make sure to subscribe, like, and share, because if you subscribe you can win a free reading at the end of this month. So yes, let us see. So what will happen? So this is like for the week, but it is a timeless reading. You can watch it anytime. This is for the week of 1st December to the 7th of December. I can't believe we are into December, friends. My god, 2020. When we started, you were like, all of you were like, what will happen? Even I was a little doubtful, like, what's gonna happen? Thankfully, fingers crossed, we'll make it ahead also, like we did now. So what is happening this week? We start the week with a full moon lunar eclipse. There is a full moon. There is also a lunar eclipse in Gemini. So, yoo-hoo. A lot of clearing, a lot of endings are happening, clearing of karma. The sun is in Sagittarius this week. So, happy birthday, Sagittarius. And Mercury is in Scorpio, and so is Venus. So, love is intense, and Mars is in Aries. So, our passions are also intense. Yes, friends, a lot is happening. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share. And let's take a deep breath. And I will be live shuffling today because I wanted to. Some of the cards are here, but I'll shuffle live for you. Yes. I wanted to do it this way. I want to change it a bit this time. Let's take a deep breath, relax, and choose option 1. The auto rickshaw. This green. And option number 2, the bus. Option number 3, the aeroplane. Relax, take a deep breath, choose option 1, option 2, option 3. I will leave the timestamps, friends, in the comment section so you can directly skip there and choose your option, or you can pause the video and take more time to choose. But I will start now for those who chose option number 1. Let us see what will going to happen for you this week. Just give me a second. Let me just arrange my cards here so I can just... Alright, for those who chose option number 1, this beautiful auto rickshaw. Let's see how this week will be for you. This is your advice card. I will be pulling more cards and your charms. Let's see first for the beginning what's going to happen. Wow, 4 of autumns. You are busy focusing on your work, on your career, and I see you are not in a mood to socialize. I see that this is, you are working, you are taking your time to work, you are taking your time to be alone maybe this week, or you are busy planning for your career, so not much focus. You're a little antisocial this week. 9 of Cups, yay! Maybe some of you have your birthdays this week, or maybe someone in your family has a birthday, or maybe someone you are dating or in a relationship is having a birthday. I also feel some celebrations are coming your way, so congratulations. That's amazing. 9 of Cups, wishes coming true, something manifesting for you. If you are manifesting, I see you are trying to manifest maybe communication from a person, or love, or I see money. Maybe you're trying to manifest money. It is coming your way, friends. Money is coming. 9 of Springs, don't give up on your dreams. No giving up. You have been very strong, pile number 1, till now. So it is not the time to give up on your dreams, on your goals, on your ambitions. You are going to achieve it, whatever you want. Maybe it is a love relationship, maybe it is your career or a job. You are going to be successful. You are very, very close. So go for it. Don't stop. The Emperor, I do see you are very, very powerful this week, friends. You are trying to be very strong, logical. You are also trying to be balancing your head and heart. I see you're focused. Your focus is mainly on changing your life, changing your career, changing your looks in some way. You want to feel good about yourself, about your life. You want to be proud of who you are. I don't know why. It feels like you want to make someone else proud too, like your parents, especially if you are a student. Like you want to make your family proud of yourself, of your choices. For some of you, I do see it will happen sooner or later, so it is going to happen. The six of spring, six of wands. My God, friends, success is coming for you. Look at that. You're very, very close to success this week. And I do see some of you will be getting some news. Wonderful news is on its way to you. Smart choices that bring rewards, success, and public recognition. So, yeah, something you're working on will bring you some achievement or some sense of fulfillment this week. Congratulations. I do feel that you're you're a little your focus is not much on love. I don't know why it keeps feeling like that. You're not focusing much on love. Your focus is much on yourself, on your self-worth, on work, career. You want someone's respect. You want someone's appreciation. I do feel that. Let's see your love life. Let's see your love life for pile number one for this week. What is going to happen in their love life? Because I wanted to shuffle life today. See, that's the reason. Because it's the full moon. I want to know what's happening for you. Yes, waiting, waiting, waiting. You are waiting. Someone is making you wait for them. Maybe you are waiting for a message or a lover. Pile number one. What's going to happen this week in their love life? The Knight of Swords, the Seven of Wands. Oh my God, someone is being very defensive. They could be Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, or an Aries, Leo, Sag person. I also feel they could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces person you are dealing with. I feel this person is watching you. They are taking their time. They are, playing that waiting game. I think you wanted this person, you really love this person, but they are very defensive. You look at that, they are very defensive. I don't know why they are doing this. I hope you can see the cards. They are very defensive. I also see that maybe they will later in the week are going to make a move or send you a message on social media, or you might catch them, watching your social media this week. Yeah, I do see that. They are like scrolling your social media. Maybe you have unblocked them, or maybe from another account, a friend's account, they are checking you out and you get to see that. I also feel this person want to work things out with you. So, yeah, that's a good thing. They are checking your social media. They are seeing you busy. They are seeing you successful. Pile number one, this person. It could be a twin flame, lover, ex-husband, wife, someone who is in no contact, who is running away from you. Who kinds of behave in a very egoistic way to you. So you are like, nah, I don't want you. But they are seeing you. They are seeing every move you are making. Wow, they are keeping an eye on you. And look at that, Queen of Swords. Wow, this person is totally, you share a very strong mental communication with this person, compatibility. I feel there is a cold war going on this week, or maybe this full moon lunar eclipse in Gemini is going to shift something in this connection, and they are going to message you, and or something will shift in you about this connection or this person. Let us see what else will happen for pile number one. Eight of Cups. Yeah, I do see maybe this person walked away from you, but they regret it. Now they realize they should be with you. I also feel like, this full moon, you are walking away from something because you are tired of waiting for this person. You are like, we are done, we are done, we are done. You don't want to put work in it. I'm gonna say bye to you because I have better things to do. You are choosing yourself, pile number one. You are choosing family, you are choosing happiness. I also see some of you might move out of a commitment or connection because you are tired of waiting, because this person isn't committing to you, or they don't want to have a family, or family is becoming a problem in this connection. So they are like, they keep you waiting. So you are like, I'm done, baby, I'm done. And oh my goodness, Ace of Wands, and it will be a good move for you. I see that person will be really ignited because you are moving away from them. They are like, "Ooh, my love is gone, my light is gone. What are you doing?" So I think that will provoke this person to come towards you. And I do see some of you will find a new person or some new passionate friendships to talk with this week. I do see you're very focused on work, friends. This moving away will actually bring you good, it will be good for you. For some of you, this distance maybe is good for you, or it will ignite some positive changes in this connection and in your work and career. Look at that, the world. I do see some of you moving, some of you are just not going to stay. I also see some of you are planning to shift or relocate a home. You're very excited about this. Some of you are also waiting for money, or your focus is on work now. Your focus is on yourself, your health, your fitness. What else? The Tower. See, the minute you move away from this person's life, they will have everything crashing down. And I think it is because you are focusing on yourself. You are in a twin flame connection or a very strong connection this week, friends. So yeah, focus on that. Let us see what else will happen for you in your work and career. So be aware, if you are not if your connection is good, there might be a bit of a tower movement, friends. I'm sorry, but it seems like it will happen if you're married or if you're in a long distance connection. There might be some tower movements. Also, it will lead to more passion in your connection. I also feel because Mars is in Aries, you might attract a very passionate person out of the blue. Just the minute you walk out on something or decide to change your life this week, you are going to find someone on social media very attractive, very interested in you. So we'll also see with the charms what will happen this week. Let us see what else will happen for pile number 1. I hope you can see the cards. There are quite a lot of cards today. Just breathe. I think you are working a lot this week. Your focus is very, very high. You are emotionally also very busy. So it might be a good thing to relax a little this week. Number 29, 28, 11 are important. Let's see what else will happen. Exchanging gifts. So I do see some gifts are coming your way, or maybe some some strangers or someone new is going to say, "Hey, your voice is so sweet, your smile is so cute, you sing so sweet." Something is going to be shared between you and someone else. I also see you will find some sort of a success in your career, like education, some rewards, some achievements, or your parents might gift you something, or your friends might, because it's your birthday. Maybe 27th of November was your birthday, or 29th. Okay. Again, time to go. You have 2 cards of walking away. Yes, friends, it is time for you to move. It is time for you to focus on good things in life, focus on new things in life, and even in your career. Chop wood, you are very, very busy. This is a very busy week, and stay receptive. Love is there. I do see this connection will improve, or a new person for some of you is coming. So get ready. What things you need to keep in mind this week? Pile number 1. Thriving. You are doing amazingly, and you're gonna do more better in the coming days. So get ready, friends. Thriving. Things are going to get better for you. What else? Freedom. Yes, freedom is important. You are going to choose everything that makes you feel free, that makes you feel liberated, embracing. Yeah, you are saying yes to change. You are like, yep, I want change. I will say yes. Security. You want commitment. You want financial security. You want abundance. I do see some of you may be shifting, or you are planning or preparing to shift a house, or your colleges or something like that, or you're very excited. Maybe I don't know if your world situation is allowing, but you're planning and preparing. I also see you might have exams. You will do excellently if you prepare well. So yeah, I see you finding security, finding freedom from past challenges, and you are ready to let go of the past. Look at that. You are embracing. Some things didn't work out. You are like, okay, so what? Let's see your advice. Step out of your comfort zone, North Node. Wow. So, yes, it is time for you to step outside of your comfort zone to do something new, try something new in your career, try something new, beliefs in your life, like you're beautiful, you're amazing, some affirmations. I also see that you will be stepping out of your comfort zone in your relationships. Also, some person needs to step up to this relationship. Let's see one romance angels card for you for pile one. Release your ex. Oh my God, the time has come to clear this energy. Wow, some of you, it is time to maybe end this connection, or maybe let the past fighting and judgments go out for now, because good things are coming your way, better things, you are thriving, things are going to get better in this connection with divine timing. Let us see your charms now. Option number one, what will happen for them this week? All right. Wow, you have the bell, the wedding bells. Maybe some of you are going to have important communications, or maybe some of you are planning to, get married, or some success is coming. This is also like success, gifts, also gifts coming your way. Let's see your alphabets. A Y E P X and O, Pogs. Wow, see, so Poi might be a name, Poi might be a name, X is also there. So it is time to let go of someone or some past resentments with the person or a relationship. Yes, it is time for that. Pay, yeah, some sort of a pay is coming, money is coming your way, friends, so get ready for that. And PAYOEX are your alphabets. What else is there? You have the wedding ring. So some of you are looking for commitment, or you are moving towards commitment in this relationship or in a new connection. Someone you are, if you are, moving out of a relationship, maybe some of you are moving out of a marriage, but remember, something better is coming for you. I also feel that it could also be a business alliance, some sort of a payment, some agreements coming your way, messages, important, wedding bells. You also have this, what is this? It is a golden owl. Look at it, so cute it is, the golden owl. So yes, I do see your intuition will be very high, so make sure to listen to your intuition. Messages are coming again, trumpet, important messages are gonna come your way, friends. You need to keep your eyes open this week. Hello, I'm a bad idea. I do see someone from your past or someone you don't want to talk to will be coming towards you. There is a chance of a new start possible for you and them. Also, some of you maybe divine timing is at work, so maybe you will want to talk to them later on in the life. So yeah, tree of life, you're working on your foundations, blossoming, expansion, career, education. The three of hearts, I do see celebration, spending time with friends, with family, enjoying, having some light-hearted fun. Butterfly, ooh, sorry, the golden butterfly, changes, transformations. Yes, things are changing for you. The golden bead. You're precious, friends. You're very, very important. So believe in yourself. You're amazing. The white bead is about peace, it is also about forgiveness. Seven of Cups. Yeah, someone is not choosing you and you are fed up of that. Maybe some person keeps denying you, not choosing you. Five of Cups, you are disappointed. Someone is letting you down. Queen of Coins, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. Maybe this person could be a family member for some of you, like parents or something. For others, it could be someone that you work with, or it is your lover. Monkey, someone is behaving rather stupidly or naughtily. So you might get upset about that. Nine of Ears. Yeah, someone is. You are a little anxious, I do see that if you are walking out on someone, it is causing them a lot of anxiety. They are really worried about losing you, but they don't know what to do. See, seer, you are very wise, friends. Believe in yourself. You are a spiritually wise, intelligent person. Canada, for some of you, you might be going to Canada for work, applying there for your colleges, universities, or your person is living there. Or Canada could also mean like, some another city, country is important for you or your person. So that's it for now. Make sure to subscribe Magic Wednesday, like and share. Join us on Instagram. And this is Mystic C saying bye. So for option number two, friends, for those who chose option number two, let us see what is going coming next for you. This is a charms reading. For those who chose the bus option, I'll be pulling some charms and live shuffling for you. This is your romance advice card for you. These are your cards. I will be pulling more cards just in a second. Let's see your cards. Three of autumn. Wow, this is a week, you are working on a lot of projects. Also, people are really cooperative or kind. This is a people oriented week for you. People are around you, a lot of people, family, friends. I also see that you might have to cooperate with people at work, or maybe in your work or career, or in your love life, because bus is also about people. A lot of people can come in a bus. It's a community vehicle kind of a thing, right? So cooperation, harmony, love, and people are very, very important. Joint projects, joint ventures are important for you this week. Five of springs. Yeah, some things are not going good. There is tensions in your relationships. No wonder you have three of autumn. There will be some conflict because Mars is in Aries. So friends, get ready. There is some conflict. There is some ego issues, difference of opinion. Your person is saying something, you saying something else. Your parents saying something, family saying something, you saying something else. So there is a difference of opinion, but you need to cooperate. I think you need to cooperate because you are the one watching the reading. I don't think so you can expect that from the other person to cooperate or to not listen to their ego. There is a difference of point of views with someone, but you need to focus on love. You need to focus on harmony. Two of springs, you're very, very, very busy, friends. Pile number two, very busy this week. So you have a lot on your plate. You are busy at work, you are busy in your love life, you are busy in your family. So get ready. You also have a lot of passion, you also have a lot of power. So you might ego issues might happen, power issues might happen, because Venus and Mercury communications are in Scorpio, while Mars, the passion, is in Aries. So a lot of passion. Ooh. So be careful, a little bit of carefulness, awakening. Yeah, take your time this week, friends. Take your time making any decisions. Don't make any hasty decisions this week. Also, if someone is making hasty decisions or judgments, ask them, or maybe give them some time, because things are stuck. I do see some changes are happening. Maybe some of you are working too hard at your work but not finding the enough money, or enough support is coming. I do see things will change for you. This week, you should try to see things in a different way. It is necessary because the current way of thinking is not working. So, friends, it is time for you to think in a different way. And three of winters, oh my god, someone may cause you some hurt and pain this week. Yes, friends, maybe because they are behaving very rashly, impulsively, or they are very busy, they are ignoring you, or they are stuck, they are refusing to talk to you, they are refusing to listen to you. They might cause you some hurt and pain, friends. So, yeah, that is there. My god. I do feel it has to do with family and love, but friends, be careful because there is some hurt and pain. Maybe from past you are missing someone, but I feel it is current. You want to talk with someone, but they are egoistic, they are a bit impulsive. So you will have to forgive them, or be like, take the first, be the large-hearted one this time. Let's see what else will happen for your love life. Pile number two, temperance. Yeah, balance is very important for you, friends. Balance. Some things are out of balance in your love life, relationships, whether you are single or in a marriage or in a relationship, situationship. Some things need to shift or balance in your life, love life. What else will happen for pile number two in their love life this week? High priest, Family is affecting different cultures, different religions, I also feel you are dealing with a person who is behaving rather rigidly this week. Maybe it is a family member. Oh my god, you have another Three of Swords. You have here also, good lord, pile number two. I do feel you both are hurt. You and your person both are hurt. Maybe family has caused you a lot of pain, or maybe this person is married, or have gotten married recently, or maybe they are getting married, or you are getting married. So they, or you are just not getting along because of family, culture, religion issues. I don't know what's happening, but there is pain in everywhere. But let's see what else. Yeah, but it is going to heal. The Ten of Cups. You can heal this pain, it will heal. Just give it some time. Do things in a traditional way. Take a slow and, take some time. Things will resolve in this connection. Ten of Cups. You are family, you are soulmates. The Wheel of Fortune, yes, positive changes. Oh my god, Ten of Pentacles. I do see both sides. A lot of love is coming. Yes, there is a lot of love. Positive changes are coming your way. You have major arcanas, two major arcanas, three major arcanas actually. So yes, your love life is shifting into positivity, into karmic cleaning, into something new, positive changes. I do see stability and security will come in your love life. I do see family or happiness is going to come. These past issues will resolve, this hurt and pain. I do see someone want to talk to you. This person could be a Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, or a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person. They are important for you. It could also be an Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person. I feel that's important. Two of Cups. Yes, you are connected. This person loves you. Love is there for you, whether you know it or not. Things will get better. Pile number two. Stay positive. Four of Swords. There is some waiting happening, but things will eventually reach to Two of Cups for you. Again, the Hanged Man. The Hanged Man. Look, confirmations. Oh my god, the Hanged Man, friends. Things are stuck in this relationship for a reason. If you are single, things are stuck because you are moving into this beautiful new love connection, and it is destined, and it is someone that your family will find, or you will feel an instant familiarity. My god, I can't say it. You will feel an instant comfort level with this new person. So if you are single, get ready to mingle. Magician, yes, someone is manifesting you. You both are manifesting this connection. Ooh la la, pile number two. Congratulations. This is amazing. This is beautiful. So keep your hopes high. You will move, things will shift, and let us see what else will happen in your career or in your life. What's next. I'll do the charms shortly. Just a second. All that glitters. I do see you should be careful in money situations, especially this week, because if someone is trying to you might be very impulsive this week, a little bit impulsive, friends. You might want to buy a lot of things, or you might want to spend a lot of money, or maybe you just feel you have not enough money. So just be careful and see things as they are, because Hanged Man is twice, so it is a change in perspective. What else? Fork in the road. Positive changes are coming. Some things are going to change, and some decisions will be there for you this week. A thinker, someone is obsessed about you. Number 44. I do see you are thinking about a lot of things this week. A lot of thought is going on. You are like think. If you are a student, I do see you are thinking a lot. I do see you are busy. I see you want some support from your family if you are a student, but it's not coming. But I think by the end of this week, you will be successful in finding support from a friend or a lover or family members. So yeah, good things are happening. Anything else? Here and now. Don't focus too much on the past, friends, this week. Don't focus too much on the future. You will be unhappy. Focus on the present, because that is where your happiness is, that is what you need to do. Let us see what you need to keep in mind this week. Change, yeah, change the way you think. I think you may be feeling a little pessimistic or too passionate, so you need to change that. You're very powerful, friends. You're very powerful, and the minute you say that yes, things are going well, you can manifest whatever you want. So don't stay in a negative thinking like, oh, life won't be good for me, no, things won't happen for me. Don't say that. Flow, see, flow with the flow. Let things be for as they are now, because this happiness, this magician, this luck, this joy is coming for you. And pleasure. I do see you are very busy, friends, this week. So take some time to enjoy your life and don't just be all work, work, work and all this, drama, drama, drama. This could be a drama kind of a week for you. But let's see your romance angels and then advice. Ooh, release your ex. I do see someone, maybe some ex, maybe you are dealing with a third party, maybe your person or your family, they have become a third party in your love situation. Or maybe it is your work or your person's work. Or I see a third party and someone needs to put some distance between that third party. It could be family, it could be career. And stay optimistic about your love life. Positive thinking will bring you romance. Yay. Let's see this. Advice for you. Don't let pride get in your way. Yeah, I do see ego issues might happen with your work colleagues, with your boss, or with family members. Full moon in Leo. Don't be in the energy of pride. You had the three of pentacles. So cooperate with people, focus on love, and things will get better. Let's see your charms. Pile number 2. Let me know if you enjoyed these new sort of live shuffle readings. I don't know if I'll be able to do them again, but yeah, I'm, depends on time. I was free today a little bit. Option number 2. Okay. Oh, wow. Let's see. Wow, you have this snowflake and the key was in it. What is it? J. So maybe some of you are dealing with a person named with J, Jerry, Jemmy, Jenny, maybe Johnny. I don't know. And there is another one stuck, 1 in number letter N. So let's see. So your letters are double N, double G. Wow, that's interesting. Double N, double G. There is F, there is E, there is DJ. So maybe you are dealing with someone who is a music producer or who is into music, or you are into music or something. Or maybe that's why your parents are not allowing you or something like that, So that is their DJ. Maybe some of you are getting married, someone in the family is, or talks about marriage. Fen could also be some word for you, Fenny or something, What else? Jen, yeah, Jen could also be a name for some of you. Jen. Maybe some of you are dealing with a person named Jen, Jenny. Let's see your number. Number 1, you're very powerful. Some new starts are coming for you. You also have the number 5 on the dice. 5 is about changes, positive changes coming your way. You have the heartbeat. I do see this is, you're neglecting your health, friends, this week. So take time to focus on your health. You're very busy. And you're very protected, friends, because you are hurt. You may be feeling like things are you're not protected, you feel a little vulnerable, but you are very protected. This cat is like the protection shield, so you're very protected. And in your work, in your career, in your love life, this green boot is about money coming your way. Aeroplane, I see you have chosen the bus and aeroplane is here. Maybe you should listen to pile number 3 because that's an aeroplane and you have the charm here. So maybe if you want, you can listen to it. I feel news, someone from another city or country is important, or some of you will get permissions to travel, or you will get some money from abroad or something like that, from another city or country. Attachment, people are very attached to you, you are very attached to someone. Passion, this is a very passionate week for you. Get ready, friends. Messages in a bottle. Important feelings are going to be revealed. Maybe you will tell someone like why they hurted you, or what is hurting you in a connection, or they will tell you how much they love you, or something like that. Key, something is locked, so some sort of a key is here. Some things will open for you. The key is here. Some things will open and shift for you. Three of coins, and three of coins is here also, friends. Wow, cooperation is the key for you. Cooperation, you have to cooperate with people, you have to be very diplomatic this week. Neptune, things are confusing for you. Yes, Neptune is confusion, emotions, too much drama. Venus, focus on love, focus on joy, focus on beauty, focus on the good things. April is important, maybe someone born in April. Six of Cups, you are dealing with a soulmate. I also see some of you might meet, or you are missing. Maybe this heartache is because of family, like you're missing someone you lost, or missing a past lover, past loved one, or a past pet or something, because the cat is here. Maybe you're missing someone who is gone, transition to another, realm. So you're missing them, but I do see things will get better. Past life, yeah, you have a strong connection with this person from a past life, or maybe your past life you feel very connected to it. Seven of Wands, yeah, you things will get better. Drama is there, but things will get better. Father issues are there. Maybe you're missing your father. Maybe your person's father is important. Cow, it is stay in your motherly energies, friends. Be kind, be loving, and snowflakes, you're very special, and some sort of a gift will happen for you, or some doors will open for you. Things which are stuck will open for you, friends. So that's it for now. Subscribe Magic Vans Tarot, like and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Mystic C saying bye. So friends, for those who chose option number 3, this beautiful aeroplane, let us see what is coming next for you this week. This is a charms reading, friends. Yes, this is your advice card, and I will be live shuffling for you in detail today, because I wanted to do it this way today. So let's see what's coming for this week for you. Oh, Ace of Spring, this is amazing. Some new excitement is coming for you. It is time to take action, and be fearless and happily pursue your most treasured dreams, amazing career opportunities. So, you are going to feel very excited this week, friends. Some sort of an excitement is there, or you are looking for excitement. I also see some new starts, or in your career, or your work, or education, or even in your love life. Yeah, like you feel very passionate about something is coming for you. I do feel Eight of Autumns. You're focusing on your work. You're very committed to your work. I think it is a common theme now. Everyone is focusing on their work, their career, trying to balance out life. Because I think that's how things are right now. We need to work on these things right now. And I do see, if you are a student, you'll be focusing more on your studies, putting in some last minute hard work because you have an exam, or this week, maybe in this month you have exams. So you are like, who, I'm gonna rock it, I'm gonna study last minute, but I'm still gonna top my exams. I also feel, friends, you are we are very, very sweet this week, because you are taking your time to learn something new. You are dealing with books, I see, even like you're learning something new, maybe a hobby. Also, you are spending some time, because maybe it is winter where you are, so maybe you are spending some time with sitting in the cozy winter with blankets and tea and some chocolate. So you're enjoying yourself, and you are listening your music or books. So it gives you another kind of a high. So that's a good week. Five of Cups. Wow, I do feel you really missing someone, or someone is really missing you this week, friends. I think it is both ways. You are also missing a lover, or a friendship, or someone you loved. They are also missing you. You want a new start. They want a new start. So you feel a little disappointed this week, but you're focusing on work and trying, or reading books, being excited about something new. or maybe you're preparing or planning for Christmas or something, so you're busy but you are a little disappointed with something. 10 of summer, maybe it is your family that's making you a little disappointed or unhappy. Or maybe you're married, so that's what it is. But I do feel your family will be there supporting you, making you happy. You might have some good times with family this week, like, meeting your grandparents, some other relatives or some friends. So you will feel like, yeah, family is there. Although you miss, like, maybe someone is not there, you're missing them, or some lover you are missing. There's a lot of happy, good vibes, in this energy. Six of Winters. So things are definitely going to get better in your love life. Look at that. This disappointment is not going to affect you this week much longer. Positive changes are on their way. A welcome relief from troubled times. Traveling or relocating. So, yes, things are going to shift for you, friends, in a positive way. Congratulations for that. Let's see your love life. What will happen in your love life? Pile number 3. I see someone is missing you and things will get better. Nine of Swords. Yeah, someone is really, really worried about you. They are missing you. Maybe this person is having health issues, or you having anxiety, depression, or you're worried. You're worried, constantly thinking. I also feel they are thinking about you. They are constantly at night. They think about you. Six of Cups. They are your soulmate, someone you live with. Maybe they are your neighbors or someone you know from childhood. Four of Pentacles. I think this person is dying to tell you something, like they are in love with you. They want to come back, but they are like, I have to hold it back. I have to hold this in. I have to hold it back. So that's the energy. They are dying for you. Let's see what else. Their love life. Ooh, the Emperor. Yeah, this person is like, I think this person is like they are dying to be this boss for you, this husband or wife for you, but they are like playing it cool. They are like, no, I don't feel anything, while they feel this Ace of Cups, Ace of Wands for you, this Ace of Passion for you. And this person is watching you. They are watching you, keeping an eye on you. And look at that, Ace of Swords. I think they can't keep it any longer. They might have to talk to you this week. I do see they might message you, or they might post on their social media something like they are missing you, or in a secretive way they will say like, yeah, maybe they will post a memory or something. 10 of Pentacles. I do feel like you both are like family to each other. Maybe you were married to them, or maybe this is your twin flame, or maybe this is your soulmate. You both are family for each other. So yeah, you both are missing, you both are really missing each other. I don't know what's going on. So there is a chance of a connection or a reunion happening, or they might message you. What else for pile number 3 for their love life? What's next? Yeah, Seven of Wands. Ace of Pentacles. I see this person is like, no, I don't want to talk, but like they can't hold it anymore. They will have to come and talk and make a solid offer. If this is a new person, they will be offering something new, a friendship. Maybe they will connect to you through social media, or they are a friend, they know your friends or family members, and they will connect with you. And I do see like this is this is like, they will offer you something solid, maybe a friendship, or maybe like, hey, let's sit and talk. Four of Wands. Yes, maybe they will offer you commitment, or maybe they are your twin flames, so some things are getting balanced in this connection. Also, you want a relationship or commitment from this person or from your lover. So that is going to happen. Page of Wands. I do see they can't wait any longer. This person will take action towards you, or you will talk with them, because I see both of you have a lot of burning passion for each other, and it just can't wait anymore. So they will try and work out on this relationship. Let's see what else. Go the distance. I see you're very committed to your work and career also, friends, because you are giving your best also to your work, to your career, education. You want to reach victory. You want to achieve your goals this week. And to be fair, I think you are trying very hard to make everyone happy this week. Your family, yourself, your lover, your work, your career. I think it might be making you unhappy, because we can't make anybody happy or everybody happy at the same time. So you are trying to be pleasing everyone. It's difficult, mending. Yeah, you are healing things, friends. Things are healing in your life, in your work, in your finances and emotions. Things are healing. Don't worry. If someone has done you wrong, they will apologize, or something better is coming towards you. If some friend if some friend hurted you, caused you pain, they will come back and say sorry, or they will come back and heal the connection. Buy the book 11. See book. I do see you reading a lot this week. Maybe you're watching a lot of binge watching our channel, Netflix, or something else, or books, reading a lot of books. And 1111, it's again twin flame energy. Unfinished symphony. Things are not over yet. Yes, friends, things are not over. Whether it is your work, career, if you are a student, I see you are putting in last minute efforts for some college exams, some interview calls. You're working hard, and I do see you should work with your friends. It will bring you some success, and it will also bring you confidence, I feel. Let us see what you need to keep in mind. Healing chaos. Things are healing for you, friends, in a very, very powerful way. And look, love is coming. There is a lot of love around you, friends. This week is all about love. Love for yourself, love for family, love for your creativity, art, music, dance, whatever is your creativity. Maybe it's comic timing. Patience. Stay patient, friends. Things are working out for you. Just a wee bit of patience, and you will find your fulfillment. You will achieve your goals. You will get that job, or that success in your exam. Maybe you have tried 2-3 times, but you were not successful in an exam, but you will be now. So don't lose hope. Let's see some romance angels messages for you, then the advice, and then the charms. Codependency. I do see addictions are affecting your love life. Maybe your person is dealing with health issues, or they have some financial issues affecting them. I see that is why they are not able to talk to you, but they will change it, and give them some time. And passion. Allow your heart and soul to sing with joy. Yes, friends, this is a very passionate week for you. So do enjoy your life, no matter who is there and who is not. You should enjoy your life. That is what I say. Let's see your advice. Look at the bigger picture. Full moon in Sagittarius. Yeah, so things are going to get better in the bigger, longer run for you. Just a little bit of patience, and things will get, your worries will be resolved. I do see maybe you have some problems like of traveling, flying, to getting permissions, or flying. You have chosen the aeroplane. Things will get better, friends. Things will get better. Let's see your charms. Ooh, that was a long reading, isn't it? Where is the charms back? Here. Let's see, pile number 3. All right. Someone is watching you. See, DP, there is someone watching you. And it got again stuck, even though I pulled it up just a little back in the pile number 2. There is a snowflake here. Let's see. There is T. There is P. Wow, this is dog. Maybe some of you are going for a dog. You want a new pet, or maybe you're missing your pet, or maybe your person has a pet, or something is related to a dog or an animal. Maybe you are working, or becoming doctors, healers of animals, animal whisperers, someone who communicates with animals. Po is also something. Po is a female of something. I don't know what. Po is something, right? Yeah, see the heart. I feel someone has health issues, or maybe they are struggling, like your person is struggling, or maybe someone in the family is having some health issues. So you might have to take care of them, or I'd see some healing happening there. Again, the health. I see that you should do some cardio exercises, or get some fresh air, get some jogging done. You're very active. You have a lot of passion this week, so use that. It will help you. You also have number 18 here for you. So, yeah, number 18 is important. You also have snowflake. So, yeah, be gentle with yourself. Be patient and don't be too impulsive or too rash. Hello, I'm a bad idea. You may think some person is a little bit toxic because they are codependent, because they are not taking charge, they are not speaking, they are something is happening which you feel they are toxic in some way. The blue car, I feel this is about you gaining a lot of knowledge, learning something. So, yeah, knowledge, wisdom. The black horse, I would say keep your dreams to yourself, your wishes, your plans to yourself, because I see that there are people who might not directly appreciate you or something, friends. Protection, you do have protection, so you are protected, but still keep your plans to yourself. Again, the doctors, something is healing, friends, something is healing your heart, or maybe someone else's, some relationship is healing. Maybe your dog, your pets are sick, so they are also healing. And look at that, kissy kissy, someone wanna kiss you, someone wanna smooch you. So very passionate week for you. And look at this, made with love. This locket, this disc is so cute. It is made with love. Someone is definitely head over heels in love for you. I do see they will open their heart sooner or later. The heart energy, I think it is time to take care of your heart and yourself also, friends. Number 18 is important, the key with the crown. So you are going to be crowned, friends. Something is going to some rewards are coming, something is going, like if you are planning some achievements, some achievements are coming, some victory after a bit of patience. Something is you are going to win this week. You will be successful. The sword, breakthroughs are coming. I do see some clarity is going to come in a relationship. The three of cups, spend some time with your friends and family. It will be good for you, friends. I do see you're missing your pets or your someone you are missing, friends. Saturn is important. Saturn is also about karma. Saturn is also about destiny, divine timing. Red, yeah, someone is very very passionate. You are also very passionate about that person. Dreams, yeah, you will have a lot of dreams this week. 10 of coins, family is important. You do have this card, 10 of coins here. Look at that. You also have the charm. So, yeah, family, money is coming. So if you're having money issues, money is coming, friends. Just give it some time. 5 of here, someone has hurted you, put you in third party, ghosted you. But remember, there is karma, Moon, the things which are hidden will come to light. The sword is also about that, removing darkness with light, or, cutting away things. 6 of coins, balance is coming in your life. 5 of coins, ooh. If you feel financial issues are there, you will find some relief, friends. October is important for some of you. November is also important. So October, November are important. Maybe something happened in October, November, this which will be healed in some way in this week, and you will find relief. Let me know what poem means. I know it means something which I can't remember right now. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Join us on Instagram. This is Miss Tixie saying bye.